पहले इंटरव्यू दिया हुआ था, पहले इंटरव्यू दिया हुआ था सर।
पहला प्लेसमेंट किसका हुआ? कौन सा कंपनी है?
सीक्वल स्ट्रिंग सेम सर।
सेम कंपनी। 1 minute. Let me finish. We'll start again. Thank you. Hi guys, again we are having one more test candidate. We'll discuss how he got placed. How was the experience in QSpider?
Sir, the overall experience was very wonderful. Everything, the environment and all the teachers were very kind, and the environment was also very good. And there were a lot of things that like taking mocks. You also gave grooming to us during the interviews, which also helped me to gain some confidence. And presentation, I also did presentations. That daily presentation also helped me to gain confidence and remember all the answers that our teachers taught us during our classes. And I think overall experience was very nice in QSpiders.
When did you join the QSpider?
Sorry sir?
When did you join the QSpider?
My college.
When did you join?
Sir, I joined at 6th April.
Nearly it is 4 months.
Yeah, 4 months.
Within 4 months you got placed.
Yes sir.
How many interviews did you attend?
Sir, in total I attended 4 interviews. 4 interviews. In 3 all I got rejected in them, but finally in this 4th interview, that is sequel string, I got placed. Luckily, all those hard working and all those rejection helped me to gain experience that how we should talk in the interview and how to handle the tough questions also. So yeah.
Okay. What is the major part of QSpider to make the students place, according to you?
According to me, I studied in so many institutes, but the plus point of QSpider is in other institute they don't provide grooming. That is one plus point. Then mock also we take. Mock is also very beneficial according to me, because during the mocks they train us that how we should talk in the interview in front of the interviewer, and how to get comfortable with them, how to answer all the questions. We give answers to the teachers, you and Nadim sir, during the interview, and they also give feedback during the mock that how should we express our answer during the interview. These help me very much during the interviews. So yeah, grooming also, yeah, and all the presentations.
How will you give the advice to the students who are available here to looking for the placements? What they should do?
You should study and give presentation daily. Don't skip the presentation, guys. And I know in some cases you feel I should not give presentation. Directly I go to the teacher and sign the sheet. Please don't do that, because that will be disadvantage for you guys. Because giving presentation will boost your communication skills, how to talk in English, how to get comfortable in English, and give mocks. If you got it, if you had a remock, don't get upset. Give remock. No one is going to say anything it is mock. It is not a real interview. You can enhance yourself during the mocks and remocks also.
जो लोग मॉक नहीं दी वो जल्दी आके मॉक दो. प्लेसमेंट चाहिए तो
मॉक देना पड़ेगा. मॉक नहीं दोगे तो रिजेक्ट हो